How are you? Dave Barodnelli with MarineMax Boston, and today I'm going to take you on the 2019 51 Atlantis Azimut. Starting at the back, we do have a hydraulic swim platform, and underneath the hydraulic transom is a storage facility for your tender Williams jet. Here on the transom you've got a fold-out grill. Moving forward, you'll see you've got a really great area here for sunbathing, entertaining. In the cockpit, you'll see there's plenty of seating here. This table does open up. You can sit 7 to 10 here comfortably. On the starboard side, you'll notice there is a flat screen TV, which is hideaway. Movable bed seats here. Storage underneath. Moving forward, you've got a full prep station here, along with a ice maker and refrigerator. Again, on the port side, you'll notice another seating area here. That's nice. You have windows both port and starboard that open. And you do have a full sunroof here that also opens up so you can get full natural light inside the cockpit. This boat's equipped with twin D8 Volvo IPS joystick system, as you can see. And this boat's a real performer. This boat also is equipped with a gyro stabilizer. Full electronics package, Ray Marine. Here you've got your Volvo screen, and this boat also has a bow thruster, so you've got total control of this boat no matter where you are or what the conditions are. Full one-piece windshield forward, so you don't have any blind spots. And up here you'll see that we've got our bow cushions, and those do go forward for the bow seating. This boat has a ton of storage, you can notice under here. Moving down, in the 51 you'll see you've got a beautiful starboard side El Sate fold-away table. You've got full storage up top, above head. Flat screen TV here with the Bose surround sound. Again, you'll see there's storage in this boat everywhere you look. Moving to the port side, you see you've got a full galley. You've got a 4-burner Miele stove along with an induction oven here. Again, more storage above head. You've got a concealed full-size refrigerator and freezer behind here. Moving forward, this is where the master stateroom is. And you can see this boat here, this 51 has a ton of room inside of it. Nice full-size bed, great natural light on the sides, and again, storage above head everywhere you look. This boat also has 2 hanging lockers, one here, along with a safe, and another one there on the port side. Behind the mirror you do have another flat screen, Bose surround sound, and a nice area here for when you're getting ready, along with the pull-up seat here. Here on the starboard side you'll see this is where the master head is, fully appointed, and around the corner you'll see there's a full enclosed shower. Moving out of the stateroom, back through the salon. Here you're going to have port side day head, again fully appointed, separate shower, nice natural light, and again storage above head. The uniqueness of this boat is they cut the back in half here, so you've got a bunk room here with again another hanging locker here. Natural light, storage above head. And as we move out and over here to the starboard aft, you'll notice there's another stateroom. Right now the beds are together, and of course these beds here will come and they'll slide apart so that you can have 2 twins, or as you can see, configure with a single full. Again, Dave Barodnelli with MarineMax Boston on the 51 Atlantis. For more questions, please give me a call at 401-569-3874. Thank you.